How to use Microsoft To Do for studying. Are you looking for a way to make your study sessions more organized and efficient? Microsoft To Do might just be the tool you need. Let's break down how to use it effectively for your studying needs. First, start by creating separate study lists. You can have a list for each subject or project. For instance, make a list titled Math Homework and another one for History Reading. This keeps your tasks organized and prevents confusion. Next, add individual tasks within each list. For example, you can include tasks like complete Chapter 5 exercises or draft my essay. If you have larger assignments, break them into smaller subtasks. This makes it easier to track your progress and manage your workload. Now, let's talk about due dates and reminders. Assign due dates to each task to help you stay on track. Microsoft To Do allows you to set reminders, ensuring you are notified before a task is due. This feature is essential for avoiding last-minute cramming and helps you plan your study sessions effectively. Another handy feature is My Day. This daily planner lets you select tasks from your lists to focus on each day. By picking specific tasks to complete today, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed by your entire workload and concentrate on what matters most. Prioritizing tasks is also important. Mark critical tasks as important to highlight them. This helps you focus on high-impact study activities like preparing for an exam or submitting an assignment. You can also attach relevant files directly to tasks. This includes lecture notes, PDFs, or Word documents. Additionally, use the Notes section to add important details or links related to the task. This keeps all your study materials in one place for easy access. To categorize your tasks, use hashtags or tags. This feature allows you to group tasks by themes, such as revision or group work. This makes it easier to filter and find specific types of study tasks quickly. One of the best features of Microsoft To Do is that it syncs across devices. Whether you are on your phone, tablet, or computer, your tasks are always up to date. This means you can add or check off tasks wherever you are. If you are working on group projects, you can share task lists and assign tasks to others who have Microsoft accounts. This feature helps coordinate group work and keeps everyone accountable. Finally, make it a habit to review and adjust your tasks regularly. At the end of each day or week, look over your completed tasks and adjust your plans as needed. Move unfinished tasks to future dates or add new ones as assignments come up. This ongoing management supports consistent study habits and reduces stress. Using Microsoft To Do in these ways can transform your study time management. It breaks down your workload, sets clear priorities, and keeps deadlines visible. With this tool, you can focus on learning without the stress of remembering what to do next.